Today, we're diving into a transformative concept that's reshaping the way small and medium enterprises, SMEs, operate: AI as a service, or AIaaS. Ever wondered how small businesses can leverage advanced AI technologies without completely emptying their wallets? Stick around as we explore the incredible benefits, use cases, and future trends of AIaaS for SMEs. But before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Cryptic Tech, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights into technology and business innovation. Now, let's dive in. Understanding AIaaS. AIaaS refers to the provision of artificial intelligence tools and applications through cloud-based services. This means that businesses, regardless of size, can access sophisticated AI capabilities without needing extensive infrastructure or expertise. Instead of buying an AI supercomputer to sit in the back office collecting dust, SMEs can rent AI power as needed. AIaaS providers offer a range of services, including machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics, all available on demand. Think of it as borrowing a top-tier brain, but only when you need it and without feeding it 3 meals a day. Benefits of AIaaS for SMEs. AI as a service, AIaaS, offers a buffet of benefits for small and medium enterprises, SMEs, wanting to get a taste of artificial intelligence without the hefty bill. One key advantage: cost-effectiveness. With AIaaS, you get advanced AI technologies on a pay-as-you-go basis. No big upfront costs, no crying over broken piggy banks. Another huge perk is accessibility. AIaaS makes cutting-edge technology accessible for SMEs, leveling the playing field with those big corporations that always seem to have a tech advantage. It's like handing a slingshot to David in a world of Goliaths. Plus, rapid deployment means SMEs can implement AI solutions at lightning speed, staying on top of market demands without missing a beat. And don't forget about data-driven decisions. Imagine being able to make business choices with insights you never thought possible. AIaaS gives you actionable insights that drive growth, all while keeping customers happy. Who knew renting an AI brain could be such a game changer? Cost-effectiveness and accessibility. AI as a service, AIaaS, is remarkably cost-effective for SMEs, eliminating the need for upfront investments in expensive hardware or complex software. Instead of shelling out for AI systems you might only use a fraction of the time, why not subscribe? It's like opting for a gym membership instead of buying the equipment. You get all the benefits without the extra clutter. Moreover, AIaaS enhances accessibility by providing user-friendly platforms that require minimal technical expertise. Imagine using sophisticated AI tools without needing a data science degree. Sounds like magic, right? SMEs can harness AI solutions like predictive analytics and natural language processing, putting them in direct competition with the big guys without needing an in-house tech wizard. Scalability and flexibility. AI as a service, AIaaS, offers exceptional scalability and flexibility, making it perfect for SMEs. Imagine if every time your business grew, your technology could instantly grow with it, like a magical plant that just keeps expanding. With traditional AI, scaling means upgrading infrastructure, which is about as fun as moving house. But with AIaaS, you can just adjust your plan as needed without worrying about complex upgrades or buying new servers. Flexibility is another win. Want to experiment with machine learning this week and natural language processing next week? Go for it. AIaaS lets SMEs try out different AI applications without committing to one forever. It's like speed dating for tech. Find what works, pivot quickly, and never settle for less. Use cases in various industries. AIaaS is transforming industries, and SMEs across different sectors are reaping the benefits. Healthcare, predictive analytics for patient care? Yes, please. AIaaS helps healthcare providers offer early diagnoses and personalized treatments. Who wouldn't want an AI helping their doctor make decisions? Finance, fraud detection, and credit scoring are made smarter with AIaaS, helping keep our money safe from sneaky hackers. Retail, AI-driven chatbots and recommendation engines provide personalized customer experiences. Ever felt like your favorite online store knows you better than you know yourself? You can thank AI for that. Manufacturing. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime, and AI helps optimize supply chains, because nobody likes dealing with a sudden production halt. Logistics. AIaaS optimizes routes and inventory, keeping things moving smoothly. It's like GPS on steroids for delivery trucks. Enhanced decision-making and insights, AIaaS, significantly enhances decision-making for SMEs. Picture having a crystal ball for your business, but instead of vague prophecies, it's spitting out hard data. With AIaaS, businesses can process vast amounts of data quickly, uncovering patterns and trends that might otherwise be missed. Who wouldn't want that kind of power? AI-powered dashboards and visualization tools simplify complex data, making it accessible even for those of us who didn't major in data science. By leveraging advanced algorithms, SMEs can forecast market trends, understand customer behavior, and mitigate potential risks, all without needing a fortune teller. Integrating AIaaS into existing systems. Integrating AIaaS into existing systems might sound intimidating, but it's actually more like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Once you make the switch, you won't look back. Start by identifying areas where AI can add value, like improving customer service, managing inventory, or analyzing data. SMEs can use APIs to integrate AI tools into existing systems easily. It's like adding a turbocharger to your current setup, making everything run faster and more smoothly. Imagine integrating an AI chatbot into your customer service system. It could handle inquiries instantly, leaving your human team free to focus on more complex issues. Plus, using cloud-based AIaaS ensures scalability. No need for hardware headaches as your business grows. Challenges and considerations. While integrating AIaaS offers immense benefits, it's not without challenges. For starters, data privacy and security are major concerns. Nobody wants to be that company making headlines for a data breach. SMEs need to comply with regulations like GDPR, which means keeping customer data secure and avoiding those nasty fines. Integration complexity is another hurdle. Aligning AIaaS with existing systems can require significant expertise. And let's be honest, not every small business has a tech genius on staff. There's also the risk of over-reliance on AI. While it's tempting to let AI do all the thinking, human oversight is still essential to catch biases and make nuanced decisions. And finally, there's cost. Sure, AI to AS is cost-effective, but SMEs still need to weigh ongoing subscription fees against projected ROI. To make the most of AIaaS, you've got to keep an open mind and make sure your team is on board with the changes, because even the best AI won't do much good if nobody knows how to use it. Future trends in AIaaS. The future of AIaaS is looking bright, especially for SMEs. Enhanced personalization is on the horizon, meaning AI will get even better at tailoring experiences and recommendations. Think of it like Netflix, but for every aspect of your business. Edge computing is also a game changer, enabling real-time data processing. Forget about delays. AI will provide insights faster than ever. The rise of no-code and low-code platforms means that even non-techies will be able to develop and deploy AI models. It's like giving everyone the power to be a tech wizard without the years of training. And don't forget about 5G. With faster connectivity, AI will become even smarter, making IoT devices more powerful and enabling seamless data transfer. AIaaS is set to empower SMEs to innovate and adapt, keeping them competitive in a rapidly changing market. The real question is, are you ready for the ride? In conclusion, AI as a service, AIaaS, represents a significant opportunity for small and medium enterprises, SMEs, to leverage cutting-edge technology without breaking the bank. By embracing AIaaS, SMEs can enhance decision-making, improve operational efficiency, and drive innovation across various sectors. As the AIaaS landscape continues to evolve, staying informed about AI trends and effectively integrating these solutions will empower SMEs to thrive and maximize growth potential. The future is here. Will you seize it? Thank you for joining us as we explored AI as a service for SMEs. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Cryptic Tech, and share. Stay tuned for more content on leveraging technology for business success.